everybody, today we're unboxing Aaru Gardens. So this is basically a cutesy version of a lot of Egyptian gods. So let me show you the characters that we can possibly get here. So first we have Ra, Anubis, Bastet, Seth, and Horus. So we have 5 boxes in this big box, and let's see how they look like in person. Oh my gosh. Oh, so here's the card. This is best set, so let's see. I can just feel like he's gonna be cute, even though I know he's cute. Yeah. It's a very gold, and it's actually bigger than I expected. Yeah, so it's actually very cute, and I really like the eyes. Like, look at his eyes, it's very pretty. So, oh my god, I just realized that there's a little mini baby cat over here. It's very cute, and the cat has a little necklace. This is very cute. Okay, I'm gonna put that over here with his card. Now let's unbox the second box that we are going to be having today. So we have over here, now we have Anubis here. So let's just put this Wait, what? What is that? Oh, okay. Does this thing even have the opening? Finally. Oh, it's a different color eye. Now it's this reddish, orangey, yellow tone. This one he has a symbol below his snout, and it's very cute. And this is like a snake, like most Egyptians have, emperors. So yeah, I really like the eye color though. Like, I like the eye color of these little gods. This one is I just found this metal thing. I think it's a file or something. I don't know. Anyway, we got Seth. So let's open Oh, his eyes are just like, his eyes are just a little maroon brownish tone, but his hair is quite unique. At least I think that's his hair. So yeah, it's like the rest are like mostly blue, but his is red. In the packaging, like I thought in the card he's like wearing a mask. I still don't know. He could be or he could be not. Okay. Let's see. What do we get next? We haven't got Riot and Horus. So Wait, so maybe every single one has a front. No, I need those. So we got everything got wrapped. See how its eyes are. Oh, this one is quite vibrant, like very vibrant. She also, or he also has a snake on his head with this red color thing. So, like, yeah. So, yeah, so we have our last one over here. Everyone has a file. So last but not least, we have Horus. Wow. He has something on his head with a turquoise hat. I have no idea what's on his head. It's like a chicken facing. I have no idea. So, and he has wings and like he's a bird. So obviously he has wings, and yeah, so it's a very cute, and I like the beak is so tiny and like puny small. So it's a very cute. Like, I like all of them. They are very cute. So that's the end of our video. Like, so I think my favorite one out of all of them is, I frankly don't know. They are all very cute. Like, I can't even choose anymore. So this is what we have for our Aaru garden, and you can buy these online if you want. You can just search it up on your online whatever website you have. So if you're interested, you can just check this out if you want. So bye guys!